In the initial human clinical trial, it was observed that the cannabinoid CBG effectively diminishes anxiety and stress levels. An up-and-coming cannabinoid that is increasing in popularity, cannabigerol, CBG, was the focus of a recent human clinical trial. In this trial, researchers discovered that a dose of 20 milligrams of CBG derived from hemp effectively reduced anxiety and stress levels, surpassing the effects of a placebo. Interestingly, the study also revealed that CBG enhanced memory recall without any negative cognitive impacts or other undesirable consequences associated with THC. While these findings are promising, the study's limitations underscore the necessity for further investigation to gain a comprehensive understanding of CBG's advantages and safety. Future research will delve into CBG's impact on physiological indicators and expand the scope to include individuals who do not use cannabis. In the study, Carrie Cutler, an associate professor of psychology at Washington State University, along with her colleagues, embarked on the inaugural human clinical trial to explore the immediate impacts of CBG on anxiety, stress, and mood. According to the study, the consumption of 20 milligrams of CBG derived from hemp resulted in a notable decrease in anxiety levels at various time intervals after ingestion, including 20, 45, and 60 minutes, when compared to a placebo. Additionally, stress ratings were found to be significantly lower than the placebo at the initial time point. These findings are consistent with the results of a previous survey conducted by Cutler, which showed that 51% of CBG users consume it specifically to alleviate anxiety, with 78% claiming that it is more effective than traditional anxiety medications. Cutler mentioned that CBG is experiencing a surge in popularity accompanied by a rise in producers who make audacious and unverified assertions about its effects. However, our study stands out as one of the pioneering pieces of research that offers substantiation for certain claims surrounding CBG. This valuable evidence not only enlightens consumers, but also contributes to the knowledge of the scientific community. To conduct their research, Cutler's team at WSU and collaborators at the University of California, Los Angeles carried out an experimental trial with 34 cannabis users who were in good health. This double-blind, placebo-controlled study consisted of 2 Zoom sessions in which the participants initially rated their levels of anxiety, stress, and mood. After receiving a shipment of either a placebo tincture or a 20 milligrams dose of hemp-derived CBG, the participants proceeded to consume the assigned substance. Subsequently, they were asked to reassess their mood, stress levels, anxiety, and various other factors, including perceptions of intoxication and overall satisfaction with the effects of the drug. This assessment was conducted at 3 different intervals following ingestion. Furthermore, participants were required to report any potential side effects experienced, such as dryness of the eyes and mouth, heightened appetite, palpitations, and drowsiness. A week later, the participants underwent another round of sessions where they were given the other product before completing the same assessments. The structure of the study guaranteed that both the participants and the research assistants remained unaware of which product was being administered. It was quite unexpected to discover that CBG had a remarkable impact on memory. Despite the assumption that CBG would have similar effects on memory as THC, the results showed that CBG actually improved the capacity to remember word lists. Participants demonstrated a greater ability to recall words after consuming 20 milligrams of CBG compared to when they took a placebo. According to Cutler, we conducted thorough triple checks to guarantee precision, and the improvement showed notable statistical significance. In addition, the research discovered that CBG did not result in any cognitive or motor deficiencies, nor did it cause any other negative consequences typically linked to THC, the active component of cannabis. The individuals in the test group reported minimal alterations in symptoms such as dry mouth, drowsiness, and appetite, and their intoxication levels were rated as low. Interestingly, despite previous anecdotal accounts of CBG's ability to alleviate depression, the participants in this particular study did not report any substantial mood improvement after consuming CBG, Although the study shows potential, it is important to approach the results with caution, according to Cutler. The limitations of the study, such as the inclusion of only experienced cannabis users, the relatively low dose of CBG, and the timing of assessments, could have impacted the findings. Furthermore, the remote nature of the study, conducted through Zoom, and the absence of physiological measurements further restrict the extent to which conclusions can be drawn. Cutler emphasized the importance of refraining from labeling CBG as a miraculous medication. While the novelty and intrigue surrounding CBG are undeniable, it is imperative to prioritize replication and additional research. Through ongoing and forthcoming studies, we can develop a comprehensive comprehension of the advantages and safety of CBG, which may present a promising alternative for alleviating anxiety and stress without the intoxicating properties associated with THC. Cutler and her colleagues have future plans to conduct a new clinical trial in order to replicate their discoveries. This upcoming study will incorporate physiological indicators like heart rate, blood pressure, and cortisol levels. Furthermore, they intend to expand their research to individuals who do not use cannabis. In addition to these plans, Cutler is also preparing a study to investigate the impact of CBG on menopause symptoms experienced by women. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.